From just a year ago, walking and talking here about getting an inspection, emissions inspection, and everything, and how that went for me last year versus this year, and where it kind of all started, and take back just where it started. 2018, I started hearing some random high sounds coming from the engine. It sounded like it was having trouble breathing, the engine. Didn't think everything. I told some people about it and everything, and started working on it, seeing what was going on, or at least looking into it. Not much. Didn't have much at the time, so I don't know how much for 2020 and 2020 we started getting throughout over the course of this year. We started getting engine misfires every day, every week, every month. So I got into getting this OBD scanner on my phone so I can read and see what's coming up every time I'd see like a check engine light. Fast forward to like now, 2024, 25, and then 2026. 2024, it was pretty much like normal, like that. You know, that whenever you have a check engine light, and you know during the time you need to get inspection, you need to see what's causing that, get it cleared, so you can go, because it won't pass on the inspection with that light on. So that poses a problem. So you get that fixed, you fail it, get it fixed, come back, and then during that same part, as long as you have like one chance to come back to see if it'll pass. That happened in 2026. That's a teaser for this. That happened in 2026. 2024 happened. Check engine light came on. Went through a bunch of things, just spark plugs, all that stuff. We changed. We did a bunch of things. I probably talked about it in a few of the videos. We did a bunch of things. I'm not gonna go into detail here. But we did a bunch of things, cleaned out, intake, did all that. We do that, it'll give us time to go clear the codes, drive it, let all the systems do their checks, and let them show complete. And then usually we're okay, drive it, and then they give me time, usually in cold conditions, when it's colder and stuff. And it'll give me time to drive it, let everything complete, all the systems complete, and then go get it inspected. And that was pretty much, losing my earbud here. I don't know why I need it, I just didn't use it for the microphone. That was pretty much created the new norm for me every January. Every January. And February is my registration year. So, I'm not going to cross until I'm finished with the story. Now I'm walking into the wind. It got windy all of a sudden. Not expecting that. Anyway, 2025. A lot of things happened, as I talked about on my channel. Layoff. And then experienced the worst of it last year, 2025. Right before things were starting to happen. For me, to me, whatever you want to say. Right before all that, in January, February was my big layoff and everything. And it took a little bit. I didn't actually get an inspection pass, which is not abnormal. It took until early February for me to get a pass inspection. I failed the first time, took it, light came on, failed. And it took me till February before I can get a pass, where I can where I can I do that. That was the worst. Alright, so didn't really figure much out then. Got it squared away. Didn't have to worry about it for the whole year as I'm going through this new big thing that just happened. That I just learned about, and it happened kind of that day. Got that passed. And then, okay, as the year happened, finalized closing with the apartment and everything, and throughout the year, that was 2025. Got a few trips handled that was planned and everything. Some other stuff happened too, like just say family dark moments, but we'll just leave it at that. It is not really a dark channel. It's a positive, uplifting, uplifting channel. So we did the whole year looking for a job search, trying to find something, finding my value, wherever that may be. And if you know anything, let me know. I'm open. I'm still looking. I'm still trying to find, or whether it's something I can do, like providing workshops, tech, whatever, to find value to give to people. And let me know. I'm out here trying to make a living. Anyway, 2026 came. Was by far, we came to pretty much, let's say it happened like a week ago. Last week, literally. My battery had died. I went and jumped, got the car started like the day before. I'm glad I did it the day before. Car wouldn't start. Battery died. Nothing was on in the car. Signs that the battery was dead. Got it replaced. Got a new battery. It was a better battery, better version of an Interstate battery at Costco. So it was a better battery. It was a AGM. Forget what it stands for. You can probably know in the comments if you're listening to this. AGM. So I got that battery, plugged it in. I don't know if it's too much today because things started coming back now, but I don't have to worry about it for another year. But anyway, I reset the battery. We changed it, got it put in, got it connected, drove it, cold conditions, and everything reset almost instantaneously, faster than usual. So I was like, okay, this is a window to go get inspected. And I did, got it to pass, and I'm good for a year now. So I don't have to worry about that. There's usually a window where it gives me a window where I can go get inspected. I usually do. Last year I did, and I was kicking myself. Like, I had the window. I don't know. I could have gotten inspected, but I didn't. And then things happened, and and yeah, it took almost a month to get it to just pass. It's like a workaround. I have to do a workaround till I can get something new. It's a workaround. Yeah. FYI tip: workarounds aren't great. There's something to help you get moving, but workarounds aren't great. If you can get to the source, it's the best. Sometimes getting to the source isn't always the option, but workarounds aren't always great. But my tips at the end of this are, I just said them. When you're having engine misfires, check engine light, and you're trying to get your car inspected or something similar to trying to resolve something, disconnect the battery. This gives you a cold reset. Do it as in cold, especially when the engine misfires and everything, and do it in cold conditions, and then drive it, let everything reset, let the systems complete, let them do their system checks, and it gives you a good window, like, to getting inspected. If that's what you need to do to get it inspected, it gives you a good window. It gave me a good week. Well, I needed a day, but it gave me a week. Light's still out. I think it's about to come back on, but light's still out right now. So it gave me that good window, and I got the inspection pass. So I'm good. I'm good for a year now. I just wanted to share in this video about inspection, what I went through the last year. And it was a workaround. Yeah, it's not 100% solution, but workarounds can get you moving, get you mobile until you find a good source, a good actual resolve. If you like this video, check out some of my other videos here and there, put up on the screen here now. And give this a like, give it a comment, share what any issues, experiences you had with your car. I'm interested and I read all the comments. I'm here to listen. I'm here to have your own conversation. Let's talk tech and everything if you're interested in that. But yeah, do that, and I'll see you in the next video. And peace out for now.